Now let's talk about the course. This is a one-of-a-kind studio-recorded SAT course designed by Edmatrix after years of experience and understanding how standardized testing works. I have myself taken this exam multiple times just to understand the ideology of the examiners and how they basically design questions. I have come across various courses that are available online, and trust me, I was always disappointed by them. Why? Because some did not cover the material holistically and comprehensively, some just lacked ample material and past paper questions, and others were just not interactive. In this course, I have tried to cover all these things. I can guarantee if you take this course, you should be able to ace the SAT exam. This is the first SAT course in which you will get topic-wise past paper questions, something you won't find anywhere else. The material comes directly from examiners, past papers, and other most authentic resources. So you don't need to buy any other book or refer to any other material if you are taking this course. Also, it's designed for every student, from beginners to those students who are aiming for a perfect SAT score. I start by explaining the concept in detail from scratch before I move on to the questions. And when we talk about the questions, I start by looking at the easier questions first before I move on to the harder level questions. Lastly, you will be given ample question bank, e-notes and past papers so you don't run out of material. That is something very important for me. You will also be given explanation for every question in a very interactive and seamless manner. The purpose is to empower students so they are able to say, "We have got this."